Hello, you are welcome again. Let's look at case study number 5, and in this scenario we'll be looking at crypto, that's on Bitcoin, the father of cryptocurrency, that's Bitcoin. So right now we're on the Bitcoin chart. We are on the Bitcoin chart on the monthly. Okay, we're on the monthly time frame. We're on the Bitcoin chart on the monthly time frame. Now what do we do? As we usually analyze, we first spot out where there was a month high. As you can see, that is where there was a previous month high. So let's put it there, month high. Now let's look at where there is a month low, all right. Now let's look at where there's the current month high. The current month high was at this point, month high. All right, now that we have marked out the previous month high and previous month low, the current, where price is currently at, is at this previous month high. What do we do? We have to go back to the weekly time frame, and the whole of this point is where the price is currently at. Okay, everything that has happened in the past is in the past. All these ones that have already happened, they're in the past. We are talking about where the price is currently at. Okay, so what do we do here? We should have, let's play back the chart. Let's play back the chart for last week. This was how the market sold last week. We have this previous month high, week high that was taken, and this week low was taken. Then this is the present week high and then week low. So what do we expect? We want price to come and take out this present week high, so that we can see if we see our reversal candlestick formation on the daily to trade it to the low of the weekly. All right, all these things is just repetition. We have already done several case study like this. So what do? We mark it out. This is the week high, and then the week low. Let's play the chart. You can notice while the chart was playing, we also have, this is the major week high, major week low. We also have minor week low, minor week high that has been taken out. So if we go to the daily now, all we'll be looking for is our reversal candlestick formation from either this range or by the time it gets to our previous week high. So let's play the chart. Now when we see that the previous major week high has been taken out, we have to go to our corresponding daily time frame. Okay, when we go to our daily time frame, we'll be looking for candlestick price reaction. If we see our candlestick formation, you can see what are we seeing here. After the previous week high has been taken out, we now have our kind of candlestick formation for reversal, telling us that yes, we can sell this trade. So we are going to be selling. This was the sell that happened last week, and that was how Bitcoin fell down massively. So we are going to be either having our 1 to 3 targets, okay, that's the safe zone, or we can take it straight down to this previous week low. So let's see if we have our 1 to 3 and straight to the previous week low. Let's see what price will do for us. You can see it was a massive sell of risking 1 to get 4.7. That's about risking 1 to get about 5 arrow. That is just how Bitcoin played out last week here. And if we have applied our strategy, you'll see that all of this would have been our profit. So this strategy we are talking about is something that repeats itself over and over again. It's not 100%. You have some losses, you have some winning. But if you observe the chart and you see this pattern repeating itself over and over again on different type of markets, be it forex, crypto, or stocks, and any other type of market, all you have to do is to trade it on the major time frame. That's, you trade it on the daily, you check for the price direction on the monthly, price direction on the weekly, and then you trade it on the daily. All right, so these things, they repeat themselves over and over again. That was how Bitcoin sold massively from last week here. All right, have a great time. Bye.